We have come a long way, and we are fortunate that our generation will witness and participate in the Fiji Centennial Jamboree at Queen Victoria School, Motabatudo, in August of this year. I would like to acknowledge the contribution of all Scout leaders, Scouts and the stakeholders, and especially those citizens who have played an important part in fostering the Scout movement and those who have passed on to greener and heavenly pastures. It is customary for our association to remember them at the annual general meeting. Members